Do you remember the last time I was trying to show you how to light up a charcoal stove? Well, the makers of Jikokoa reached out to me and showed me the right way to light it up. First, you do not need a lot of charcoal at all, which is amazing. And then you just need to burn a piece of paper, put it into the charcoal stove, and in less than 5 minutes, your charcoal will be well lit and ready to cook anything. Guys, it burns really fast. It doesn't bring out any smoke. As you can see, I cooked in my kitchen studio and my pot remained spotless from start to finish. You can also control the heat level. You want it to burn higher or lower, you can control it. Any kind of pot you have the right size of the Jikokoa for you. Personally, I feel every home should have this charcoal stove. It is simply amazing.